I can't wait to jump on the trampoline. Vámonos! Yeah. Let me get in. I'm gonna run. Vámonos! Ow! That was amazing. Now, let's jump. I love jumping. Yeah, I'm a bird. I feel like a fly. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Ah, I'm still alive. Man, I like it too. It's not sunny. It's just cloudy. Yeah, let me jump. Let me jump. Ah! I'm okay. That hurts. Let me walk. What the is this? I found a dead body? Or homeless person? Wait. Who's that? Is that my own roommate? What? Roommate, are you okay? Did you talk? Oh my god, you're supposed to be dead. Why did I say okay? Come on, let's go. Come on, don't fly away from me. Oh, come on, let's clean you up. I think he's still breathing. Is this possible? Oh dear. Roommate, I'll save you. Below the crash compels you. Bertie, are you okay? One more time. I think I hear them. Roommate, you alive? Oh, this is a miracle. I thought you were dead by my line. Wait, how did you... we got a lot of questions to ask, and I don't want to ask them now, so let me help you. So, roommate, what happened to you? First of all, I'm sorry. 2, it wasn't my fault. Maybe you're right. I should have kept my lion in the cage. But I'm sorry, I'm sorry my lion killed you. But look, come on. What about we make a deal? I got no other things. Okay. I'm not gonna do that. No. No! I'm not gonna throw my lion away. I'm sorry. Well, we can. Okay, how about this? What about you still be my roommate? Yes, I'll keep my lion in the cage every night. Or I can put them in the closet. What? You just want me to get you a food thing? What place? McDonald's? No, sir. We only eat tacos in this house. Sorry, but tacos every day. Oh, of course I love other Mexican food, not just tacos, like burrito, rice, what else? Oh, tortillas, and also I guess chicken because, well, I guess I'm a cannibal because I'm a bird. Oh, I guess it can be a predator too, yeah. Oh, you mean America food? Oh, let me think about that. I guess I like, let me think, rice, maybe some, taco. Yeah, I have no, American food I like. But come on, what about we still be roommates? Look, maybe I have snacks, probably Mexican stuff. Fine. I'll let you eat chicken nuggets. You're not a cannibal? Oh, so what am I here then? Come on, I was just joking. It was just a good joke. Come on. Alright, what about this? I take you to, let me think, the trampoline? You will? Alright, I guess that sounds like a deal. So you want to jump in the trampoline? Let's go! Few minutes later. That was so fun, right? I guess so. Look, do you want to see my family again? Actually, not my family. Do you want to see my other roommates? Want to see Troy again? Oh yeah, you never met him. Yeah. He left. Wait. Oh yeah, he did. Sorry. You're gonna meet him now. Yeah. Just Oh wait. What about the lion? Look, don't worry. I'll just make you pet the lion, okay? No? Okay, fine. I'll put him in the closet. Guess who's back to the house? Sorry. Come on, get up. We're gonna go to my room. Come on. Well, we're here now. Sorry. Oh, lie. You better go back in the closet because I'm not gonna let you kill my roommate. Never. Sorry. No, lie. You are not gonna see him. You killed him. Now you get punishment. You. Come on, buddy. Let's get you up. Come on. You now sleep with me now. You can sleep with my bed now. Oh, hey, Troy. Remember our roommate? Mexican bird. I remember. I heard he died. Kinda sucks. Oh, yeah. How did he die? Were you responsible? Talk about that. Okay. But the puffet thing is back to life. Yeah. Awesome. That's actually good. Nice to see you. Wait, what? Alright, Troy. It's time for you to get out. Wait, what? Get out! Okay. Well, everything's back to normal.